Hey guys, Vince here with another Hungryroot unboxing. If you want to try Hungryroot, you can get $25 off your first 2 orders if you use the coupon code VINCE at checkout. It is the end of October 2018, and I am actually in Florida right now working, so I had my Hungryroot box delivered to Florida, which is great. The delivery service that Hungryroot uses in Florida is sort of a local courier. They don't use FedEx. So the package is actually in way better condition than when I get it in New York City, which is nice to know. This week I got the following dishes: lemon kale Caesar salad, the 3-bean veggie chili, roasted red pepper quinoa cup, sweet potato pad thai, kale cauliflower burrito bowl, and the Moroccan spiced chickpea tagine. And this is the starter set. So this is the smaller of the 2 boxes, and this is just enough food for me for the week. I like to supplement my Hungryroot with stuff from the grocery store as well. Right now, Hungryroot doesn't provide any fruit options, so I do like to buy different fruits from the grocery store. The first thing I have are some ice packs. I've got 2 of the roasted red pepper quinoa cups, cauliflower rice, sweet potato ribbons for the pad thai, kale beet salad blend, snap peas for the pad thai, cucumber corn black bean salad for the kale cauliflower burrito bowl, which also uses the kale pesto, Thai peanut sauce for the pad thai. Here is the chickpea alfredo and the lemon artichoke quinoa cup. These go together to create the Caesar salad. And then I have my chilies. I really enjoy these options from Hungryroot because they're just heat and eat. So I have the 3-bean veggie chili and the spiced Moroccan chickpea tagine. They're both really delicious, and there are 2 servings in here. So that's everything I got for this week in my Hungryroot box. Like I said, this is the starter set. It's the smaller of the 2 boxes you can get. And if you want to try Hungryroot, you can actually get this for $25 off if you use the coupon code in the description box below.